Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard English A by Cantab publisher. And remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And today's topic is letter L. Remember that first we have to look at the objective, and that is to identify small l, its sounds, action and vocabulary. I hope so that you would remember the flow of the lesson. And what is that? Flow of the lesson. Number 1, introduction of vocabulary. We have to introduce vocabulary via a story, and this story has been given in the book. After this, we have to introduce the initial sound, introduction of the initial sound, and this sound has been given here in the song of the letter L. After this, we will focus on formation of the letter, and then finally we will have activities. So let's start from the story in order to introduce the vocabulary of letter L. Students, look at here. Who are they? Are they girls or they are the boys? One is boy and one is girl. His name is Lukman, and her name is Lalin. One day, both of these kids went to the Lahore mall and they bought new flavors of lollipop. Yummy. I love lollipops. Do you like to eat lollipops? Okay. They were very happy and enjoying the lollipops and singing, "We lick our lollipops and say the This song, the sound is given here. But firstly, we are going to focus on the names, on the vocabulary. So, at this moment, you can show the flashcards of the pictures given in the book, or you can show them the original book like this. Student, what is this? Lemon. Lips. Touch your lips. Lemon. Lips. And what is this? Ladder. Focus on vocabulary again. Lukman and Lalin went to the Lahore mall and they bought new flavors of lollipop. Like this. You have to show them that you are licking a lollipop. Licking a lollipop. Lemon, lips, ladder. After this, you will focus on the initial sound. Student, as we know, choo 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 is the sound of a sparrow or a chick, and meow 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 is the sound of a cat. Similarly, you have to listen to the words carefully and tell me that is there any sound common in all these words? Listen carefully. Lollipop, lemon, lips, ladder, and then you have to tell them that the sound is la. After this, you will pretend to lick a lollipop and sing this song given in the book. La. Lollipops we are licking, wrappers are tickling, with the la. with the la la la. You can have your own tune, or you can go to the Jolly Phonics and you can take help from there. After this, we will come toward the letter. Students, we have listened the sound L. So, L is the sound of letter L, and this is letter L. This is letter L. Now what you will do, you will draw some pictures and you will write letter L on the board like this, as I am going to do. This is letter L, and L says L, 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 lemon, L, lips, L, leaves, L, ladder. And you have to reinforce it, and you have to invite the student to read the pictures and letter as well. After this, what you will do, you will write the letter in the center of the board like this, and now you will draw some irrelevant picture also. For example, you can draw an apple, you can draw a cat, and now you have to invite the student to match the letter with the concerned names, with the concerned pictures, with the concerned object. You will invite a student and you will help him to read it. L says L, lemon. Yes, we're going to match it. L says L, apple. No, we're not going to match it. After this activity, what you will do, you will write letters on the board at this portion. L, M, L, B, L, C, D, E, G, L. And you can invite the student to come and to encircle letter L like this. After this recognition, now what will you do? You will ask them to open their books and you will focus on reading their vocabulary words, to read the letter, sound and words from the picture. After this, you will stand like this with your neck and your face toward your student, and you will teach them how to write letter L in the air. Student, you have to write letter L this, like this. This is L. This is L. This is L. After doing this, you can ask them to trace letter L on the top of their table. They can write or trace letter L on their palms like this. After this, we will involve the students in different activities. For example, what we can do, we can give them Play-Doh. In group work, we can give them Play-Doh. We can ask them to roll Play-Doh like this and form letter L like this. Firstly, we will form it for the student. We will put it there for them, and then we can ask them to do it. We can ask them to make a lollipop. Lollipop. Yes, we can roll it like this into a circle. We can use a pencil to make its handle like this, lollipop, and then we can pretend to lick it. Like this. We can have a big letter L like this. We can ask them to dip their thumb into yellow color poster paint and form lemons on this letter L in group work. Or we can cut it into different pieces like this. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces like this. And now in group, they can use these 4 pieces to arrange and to make a big letter L like this. This can be done. Then we can give them some pieces of newspaper and we can ask the student to look at the newspaper carefully and to encircle letter L there. We can arrange one leg race in the class or in the ground. We can ask them to run by using one leg like this, jumping race. We can ask the student to get settled and to sit in a group and trace letter L in the sand tray. Remember, firstly we have to focus on vocabulary, then we have to focus on the initial sound, then we have to introduce a letter, its formation, then board activities, reading of the book, focusing on the action and song of the letter, and after these individual or group activities. After this, we will ask them to trace letter L in their books and finally to trace letter L in their notebooks. We have to spend at least 4 to 5 periods or 4 to 5 days to achieve our objectives. Thank you very much.